Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host Limpo Muhale. I'm in Mbombela Stadium to witness the Petro Premiership clash between Orbit College and Orlando Pirates. A game has just come to the scoreline of 2-0 in favor of the mighty Orlando Pirates. Last game of the Petro Premiership season has seen Orlando Pirates being crowned the new Petro Premiership champions 2025 to 2026 Petro Premiership champions. And now I'm not alone. I'm with Chairman London. Chairman London. Angati man. Wona mafika Mbombela mina uhlezi ngendlela into tibe mnanzi ufika la uhamba ne-MTN ufika la uhamba na-3 points nyalo uyafika uhamba ne-league wayigcina 14 years ago nduna yami chairman khuluma nami
uthi before ngiqala ne umfethu acala ingoma nje ubone ukuthi how are we happy today iqale mfethu
ajula fasi ubale unalijomo ajula fasi kekere ajula fasi ubale unalijomo ajula fasi kekere ajula fasi ubale unalimoya akekebe
uthi niyo lento chairman
sinjalo sinomoya
ngobo warona ngobo warona Rikaufela yarona iyo yarona ngobo warona ngobo warona Rikaufela yarona Chairman.
Yazi is very touching. Mawubona the way ama supporters Orlando Pirates athandana ngakhona.
Sure.
Thina siyathandana mngani wami. That's why sikhonile ukuthi sishaye 11 sold out in a season.
Yeah.
That's a history.
Yeah.
Ayikazenzeka. Ungathuswa laba basephefeni. Abakaze bayithola. 11 hayi uthi wami thina sibeke ama lokhuzana le season le sibeka ama record kuphela eka Sipho Chain and lengibelieve ukuthi eka Sipho Chain ukuthi by break it will take them 20 years akekho omunye and le nayi lezi azenzani ma kuSipho Chain onama clean sheet but uSipho Chain akavuthwanga i-defense yakhe imnandi bese le defense le mayihambi ya ku national team bese bathi le defense ayikho mnandi kanti ibhola nina nilibheka kanjani mfethu yazini ithi nginiyekela asiyeke la asiphume kuyo iyabonisa ukuthi abantu abalazi ibhola yabo njengalozayo abalazi ibhola mara sibayeke sibayeke asicale ngokubonga yazi last time ngiyabonga i-transport management yaseMbombela last time ngila the way bebasithatha ngamabhasi to the stadium mara that was last time yandlula yabo now niya straight ku TX Galaxy aish abona mfethu i-owner TX Galaxy I mean ingenzele life yaba mnandi ungiphe uSiyema wangipha usibilibili wangipha 6 goals awini league phela league mina ngayithatha la eMbombela
wakunika chairman
ngale ya 6
wakunika president
yabona ngasikhathi ngifika la ngishaya 6 ngasho ukuthi akusekho isinayo songilandela mara ngoba banenkani angithi banenkani awuthami yazi ithi ngikutshela yazi la ngilahlisa idisk uyazi ukuthi eSouth Africa ne the whole South Africa thina samabhakaniya sizimele then the rest 15 bahlangene ngathi
uJN nyana
yebo member
anyana GNU yamampela wena uyibiza nyana le iGNU is serious bebasifuna phansi sabatshela ukuthi angithi bekumele sithathe eLondon. eLondon kwaba ne-flop le stadium kwagcwala namaphasiji kwaba ngathi kuse-FNB yabo. And then manje we decided ukuthi ayibafethu yabona masithatha la sha one goal istampede akuzofa abantu asiyekeni idraw sharp sayibona iMbombela yithi labo thina phela life siyayibona life in danger leya bekuyiplan besazi ukuthi eMbombela phela la siyanikwa
Uvulekile
la kusekhaya uyabona nawe mangiza la uyazi ukuthi chairman uyeza la kusekhaya la yeah ngani wami namhlanje uward wenza into ejwayelekile 433 squad sakhe ischeme sakhe 433 back four yakhe ile ayijwayele ukhipha utho ufaka lentwana yami le undaba le ntwana emnandi mina angithi ngiyalibheka idisk lasemzansi ngiyayazi le ntwana from Richards Bay nale umbuthuma lo bebalapha umbuthuma lo bekasigwaza mara siphume kumbuthuma ngisaka back four iback four yami emnandi okay utho beyangaphandle but bengazi ukuthi utho yes sithi 433 ayawuthami Marusolani kuwathu yini isola
What football?
Yeah?
What football?
Yini isola ngwathu awuthami ithi ngikutshele ngowathu ne owathu ufika la owathu by the way before eza la abamqoshanga la bekakhona uyihambele because of interference wathi mina ngiyahamba wahamba wayemaphuthukezi wathathwa leza seBloomtown Bloomtown coach 7 games ilihlo laka chairman wethu inswembu phela lela bheke kanje leya no lo melezela azonginika iliki uyangithola walenda ulangimani ulangimani makefika la bayamtshela ukuthi mfethu MTN simnandi Nedbank simnandi thola iliki akasiphanga akasiphanga ngani wami ungakhohliswa yilaba bangazazi ibongo zabo ukuthi abobani bangakukhohlisa yabona laba sePitori nalaba basePhefeni bangakubhayizisa awuthami ithi ngikutshela ne ngizongena egemini namhlanje sagaya history ngoba siya rapper isizwe uyabona kube bekuyithi esemroko thina bengeke siloku sijika ngendiza usingazi siya thina besolenda immediate ngoba siphethe imafia lethu besolenda cabanga mfethu ubabakho uphethe tour mara khona ukulenda balokhu bakubheke sonke ekhaya ulungu
Kondana moyeni
mfethu uthi uhamba ngeprivate jet ujike emroko bakujikisa ubuye emzansi uzothatha inormal flight awuyibhali
idizili ikhuphukile ngala
awuyibhali kodwa ke asiyeke abahambe kusasa and then bese ngithi kubo masandawana ningakhohlwa thina sizo honora lento amasandawana sicele yona ne bathe mabebuya ku CAF bacela thina sibamele airport ne cup ne sizo honora yeah Monday will be at our time
the trophy abafuna bamele nayo
bathi sibamele ngebetway
how
Mona ngithi masandawana sizonilinda sobe siliphethe yazi nenzeni nibone ukuthi eleni ibronze lethi gold just ngenindlule nahamba hayi into mara sobalini awuthi yami igame yanamhlanje it was very interesting
sure
and simnandi ngani awuthi yami lento engiyikhulumayo nongikhulumiswa injabulo
sure
ne banter ke yama supporter but when it comes to the game mfethu imagine kubi Pirate ayitholanga la ile 14 years yabo and phela khumbula besiloku sikokoda and mawungabheka abantu abathathe ileague this season yilabo bebangayithola iArsenal ithathile ile club ledlalelwa uLokhuzana bathu bande hayi Inter yini Al-Nassr or yini na ithathile
Al-Nassr
Al-Nassr na ithathile uyibone after long years and then bese kuba ibhakane abafethu le kube kumlando bekumlando yazi beyimeleni beyimele laba abane hunger and thina yithi besilambile. Yeah, kodwa ke mfethu ne singakhohlwa ama supporters Orlando Pirates ithi swabonga the whole season. The way they were supporting Orlando Pirates, came in, came out, ama away, nama home, ukugcwalisa stadium, bafethu, ukuthi nekhona ukufika la esifike khona. Hayi, bayabonisa nje ayami ukuthi ama supporters ePirates they needed it. Yeah.
Che uma bengakubuta lana coach Wadu lesikhathi afika lana ufika ngendlela yakhe lehlukile. Ulethe bafana labanyuwane kule philosophy yakhe. Nini nibalandzeli beOrlando Pirates nijabula kanani ukuthi coach Wadu ukhonile ukuthi afake abafana labancane abe able ukuthi incorporate kahle lento nalama senior players lakhona ecembini bafana bakhona ukudlala ibhola lenhle nalenye into chairman uma sibukela lenye into lengasi abantu abayingayinaki Lebo Mfukeng has just completed ibhola yase South Africa nyalo by winning iBetway Premiership uthini chairman
Abona bhuti wami sisazoba the same problem next season. Remember ukuthi manje uWadu just promoted 4 players from MTC. Bana 2 weeks bajima ne senior team. Today akabafakanga but baku senior team. So ilokhuzana season mayiqala uzoqala mhlambe afake 2 of them. Sizolwa thina sama Pirates because yabona thina sama Bhakaniya ne asifani namakhosi. Thina ngeke sithi sidliwe 5-0 bese sithi sifuna iMadrid hayi ku Pirates hayi. Thina sithumela imessage office ukuthi ebafethu ngathi kuyabheda. Yabona uWadu makeqala. Akaqalanga kahle nawe uyakhumbula. Saba nayo le believe ukuthi uWadu ithi ngokutshela uyazi ukuthi uWadu ngegeometry wayegadwa ama bodyguard abo brajabo bafuna ileague le abanike yona namhlanje uyangithola yeah so sengisho ukuthi uWadu mfethu we don't have a problem ukuthi ayenze ama changes akhe but awafake grand yabo mina I don't play mina ngilo muntu osupporta wonke ama play Pirate ne but ungayenza ukuthi ama supporter aze azonde player iplayer mali off form check now even 30 minutes is enough mdonse ufaka umuntu so that protect yabo mina namanje ngifila like uMbuthuma uWadu akamprotect yeah ngoba uMbuthuma le antwana inswebe it's just that akakatholi i-cap time yayo grand le antwana mari mayingekho eformini idonts ufaka omunye umuntu ayenze yabo ngoba mina no ngathi ngithanda uMbuthuma athi uthanda uMahopa wakhangena ngayenzi next yabo mina umuntu wami uready ubhala yeah next season ngisha ngoready ubhala
sure
yeah and then alama player lawo esiwalonile wonke awabuye ekhaya. We need to defend our league for 8 years. Yeah. And another thing, ngicela usendele message go Bramutsipe la eMorocco la. Izoba raksasa.
Izolene.
Yeah, umtshele eBramutsipe. Akumelanga uthenge nge150 million a player ukuthi win league. Leli le 11 meet yakunike league. Thina sithathi. Bese umtshela ngeage and I think batshela and the age is catching up with them. Yeah, ngibachekile labafana mangidla incwadi ne. Beside ama South American, ngibheke the South African abanawo. They are overdate. Bheka be Pirates ama 20s. Kusho ukuthi laba they can still compete for the next 3 to 4 years. Bona bazokhathala. Ngasangitshela umshisha uthama. Nika mina ushalulile next season ngidla abantu ngoba nimsebenzisi. Yeah.
Chairman ngiyaqoqoda ukuthi ngembi ukuthi ngibakela uhamba Chairman bengicela uqoqotele isizini yeOrlando Pirates nyalo ngemagama lambalo lona president Chairman
the whole season. No, but we have ups and downs. Yeah, and we're divided. And according to ngifuna ukuyitshela ama supporters ePirates. Yabo laba abakhona ukuhamba bayobukela ama game eSundowns. Ukuthi maningabe nambile nabukela ama game eSundowns, iSundowns yawin. Ngicela ukuthi inekele ukuconfuse abantu ku social media lithi league is gone. Hayi, yekelani thina sijajele. Uyangithola? But this is in the whole thina as ama-supporters e-Pirate it was marvelous ngesilungu mngani wami. We supported iBhakaniya lini Zulu kushisilanga kubanda until today eMbombela, and njengoba ngisho ukuthi we are the first team to make a history yokuthi sishaye 11 yama sold out in a season. Ayikhenye keep phone yakho Google. Abo Quintas angibafike la. Angibafike. Zangibafike. Thina mfethu elokugcina ngizokushiya ngalo yileli lokuthi iPirate always my win league. I win league kuphela. Iwina triple. Kumele kube
MTN.
Mele kube ubaba nonkosikazi nomamncane. Always. Uyayizwa le ndaba?
Chairman. Hayi, awubeke kahle Chairman.
That's how Pirate yenza khona. iPirate I win only one league per season. No. Always from ngale season kaBhenni. uBhenni azoshaya i-free kick leyana sayithatha, and then kwaba ileka chance sayithatha. It was the last game of the season. Now today silande nge-last game of the season, and those games zonke bekuyi-triple. Bese ngicela ama-agent bathini laba bebadlala ibhola kudala, ama-legend ya man, ngiyabacela man, ngicela bangabi ne-beef yabafana abancane. They are killing South African football. Yabona mina kuma-comment ami ngeke ungizwe ngithi umfundo akalazi or ngithi ubani akalazi, because those are youngsters. I need to grow them. Ngiyithime kulabafana labo. But ama-legend wethu the way benza khona, no, it's wrong. Angifuni ukubabiza ngamagama, but sikhona esinye isilimo esikhuluma isiXhosa, ngeke ngisibize ngegama. Leso sinayi leso ngicela sibe focus. Senze ukuthi ngicela abasupport abafana ezibona they had opportunity yokudlala bawawina ama-triple. Abojali ngathi bebangafuni iPirate iphinde ibe nenye triple, and iPirate yenzile. Yabona uthami next season sengikushiya, next season sothatha wonke ama-cup esizini ayi-4. I4.
Ngibonga kakhulu Chairman, isikhathi sakho nani Orlando Pirates. Congratulations Chairman. Hlezi kuyinto kodwa ukuba nawe la eMbombela.